guys, welcome to the channel again. Alright, this is a continuation of the video of HP Elitebook 1030 G3, okay, where I told you that I have to change the keyboard light. Okay, see, we are trying to lose out the keyboard light. Go first, as you have seen, you move it very gently. After taking out the flex, then you take out the keyboard light. You do it gently. Alright, you need your needle. This one is the one we are putting in the keyboard light. Alright, the one we just removed is the one we are going to replace. That system we just removed is not the same HP Elitebook 1030 G3. That one is HP Elitebook 1030 G2, okay, but they has the same keyboard light. Okay, they have the same keyboard light and it's going to work. That's the funny part. I'm going to also show you their flex, because what really matters is the flex and the size. Okay, you see this one, you see how the flex is the same with this. That's the same keyboard light. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to place it. If you have a glue that you want to use to hold it, you use a glue that's not a super glue. You use what they call that a rubber gum here. I don't know how it's called there, but it's called a rubber gum. You use it to hold it, or you can also use the initial gum that was on it. It will still glue. Alright, that's it. That's just all. So let's just service the board. I didn't show this when I was doing the previous video. Alright, I'm just showing this for you to see. You have to just clean up your body, clean up your system, do a little servicing to make sure everything is in perfect shape. Alright, if you like this video, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends, to those that need it. Alright, please, after that we replace everything and we do the normal coupling the way we did. Alright, okay, note that the essence of this video is the main reason is for this keyboard light. Okay, and know that if the flex is not the same, it's not going to work. The flex must be the same and it has the same size. Okay, if it has the same flex, has the same size of keyboard light, is the same. It's working now. I don't think you can see it very because it's there, which is in a dark place. You can see very well. So I've just coupled the system. Everything is working perfectly. Alright, thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, bye for now.